Give me that.
Welcome back everyone. Today, let's talk about the top 10 foods you should avoid giving to your children. Let's begin. 1. Honey. While honey is a natural sweetener, it can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which can produce toxins in an infant's digestive system. Infants under 1 year old are particularly vulnerable because their immune systems are still developing. 2. Whole nuts. Whole nuts are a nutritious snack for many, but they pose a significant choking hazard for young children, especially those under 5 years old. Their size, shape, and hardness can make it easy for a child to accidentally inhale them or put them in their throat. 3. Popcorn. Like whole nuts, popcorn can present a choking risk for young children due to its irregular shape and texture. The kernels can get lodged in a child's throat, which can lead to serious choking incidents. 4. Choking hazards. There are several foods that are well-known choking hazards for children, including hard candies, marshmallows, gum, and even chunks of raw fruits or vegetables. These foods can easily obstruct a child's airway, especially if they are not chewed thoroughly. 5. Unpasteurized dairy products. Unpasteurized, or raw, dairy products, such as certain cheeses and milk, can harbor harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. These pathogens can lead to severe gastrointestinal illnesses, which can be particularly dangerous for children whose immune systems are more susceptible. 6. High sugar foods. Foods high in sugar, such as candies, pastries, and sugary cereals, can have harmful effects on a child's dental health and overall nutrition. Excessive sugar intake is linked to cavities, obesity, and metabolic issues later in life. 7. Processed meats. Processed meats like hot dogs, deli meats, and sausages often contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and other additives that aren't ideal for a child's diet. Increased sodium intake can lead to health problems down the road, such as hypertension. 8. Caffeinated beverages. Caffeinated drinks like sodas and energy drinks can disrupt a child's sleep patterns and lead to increased hyperactivity. Caffeine can also cause anxiety and nervousness, which may negatively affect a child's mood and concentration. 9. Deep-fried foods. Foods that are deep-fried are generally high in unhealthy trans fats and calories. These foods can contribute to weight gain and other health issues, as they provide little nutritional value. Before we continue, here are the top 5 drinks to avoid giving to children. Sugary soft drinks. These drinks are high in sugar and can contribute to obesity, tooth decay, and other health issues. 2. Energy drinks. Packaged with high levels of caffeine and other stimulants, energy drinks can lead to heart problems, sleep disturbances, and anxiety in children. 3. Excessive juice. While 100% fruit juice can be a source of vitamins, it can also be high in natural sugars and calories. 4. Milkshakes and specialty coffee drinks. Often loaded with sugar and high in calories, these beverages can contribute to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. 5. Flavored water and sports drinks. Many flavored waters and sports drinks contain added sugars and artificial flavors. Now, let's continue to number 10 food to avoid giving your children. 10. Fish high in mercury. Certain types of fish, including swordfish, shark, and king mackerel, are known to have high levels of mercury, which can be harmful to developing brains and nervous systems. Mercury exposure in children can lead to developmental delays and cognitive impairments. Always consult with a pediatrician for personalized dietary advice tailored to your child's individual health needs and circumstances. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about foods to avoid to give your children. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Check out our other videos. Thank you for visiting our channel. We will see you in the next one.